Hi, hi, hi. Ngiyathemba konke kukahle esayidini lenu. Thank you for ukunikeza isikhathi senu namhlanje. So today bekuyi-Saturday. Besi-backtester i-AMN model. So ngikhona ukusebenzisana i-confluence with the other models. Other three are two models. In total there are three that understanding. So i-TJR strategy, I think nje, it states that you can determine a market structure just by looking at two candles. So you have to have nje, a up candle, net down candle, and then literally you can draw the highest point and the lowest point from those two. And if price body closes, candle closes above, ungayiconsidera ukuthi ibe i-market structure break to the upside, and then body closer ngaphansi kwazo lama candle, you can consider it ukuthi ibe market structure break to the downside. So with that mindset, ngikhona ukudetermine like high time frame bias much better for EMN model. So as you can see la ku GU, we had a low candle, a bearish candle, and a bullish candle. Yabona? So there is the lowest point of the two candles. Now the highest part of the two candles. And then masiceda lapho siyenzani, siya ku lower time frame. Masifika ku lower time frame, sikhona uku-implementa more of i-model because sesine-range, angithi? Sesine-range, sesina-market structure break. So you have to wait for the third candle to break either above or below those two candles. Sometimes it can be, I think, more than a third candle. Maybe it can be a couple of candles before ubana market structure break to the upside or downside from those two candles. Yeah, one. So, and the reason why this thing is reliable because angithi obviously those two candles sometimes they can zingayenza ukuthi they lead to bigger moves, but sometimes it can be a temporary structure break to the upside or downside. So that's why for le model, especially Mobeg E15 minute as a high time frame, you can use E1 is to 1 risk to reward, just in case price might then reverse because we temporary break of structure to the upside, that one. So as you can see, sifikela ku 1 minute chart, sakhona uku-adjusta lana because you can see there's the high, there's the low. So if first tap nayi, second tap nayi, third tap out of the range nayi la, yabona. Ingaba a week nakhona, it doesn't have to be like a huge, third tap it can be a week. So now third tap, fourth tap now line a line in the liquidity, and then kwenzakalani, fifth tap has to be above here and above the third tap basically, yabona. So mele idlule na ifike la, then it reversed, yayenzani, sweeper a fourth tap, mele sweep a fourth tap, yabona kune-week la, it worked it out, and then meceda yenzani, the next candle body closed above to confirm ukuthi manje price is going to the upside. So not only can you use that TJR concept of market structure bias, mara nakulowa time frame yakhona ukusebenzisa i-freedom model, so you can treat the next candle that body closes above, you can treat the candle that sweeps liquidity as ETCISD, and when the next candle body closes above it in a bullish bias, then uyakhona ukubona ukuthi okay, price action izokwenzani, izochubeka phezulu. Usually we would target the highs over the fifth tap, mara as you can see la, i-risk to reward beyingeke ibe nice, yabona bizoba yi-1 is to 1. And nakhona besifuna ukuyenzani, besifuna ukubeka i-stop sethu phansi la on the low of those two candles ku-15 minute, because if price comes down there, then it invalidates that bias, even if it's a short-term bias, yabona. In this case ayenzanga njalo, ithe iqeda ukubody closer above the candle that swept the fourth tap, excuse me, liquidity yayenzani, phezulu, then we just targeted E1 is to 1. Usually ungabheka nama-draws of liquidity that leads to a 1 is to 1, yabona. So that was the first example. Second example awuthi ngiyibone la ku 15 minute, mara yona ngathi ayiplayanga out, and that's you have to understand what that's okay, because it's not like losing money. The market saved you some money in a corner, yabona. So now like yabona, there is up candle, yabona. Oh no, it is. So there's a up candle, there's a down candle. You can determine a range lapho yabona. Naila. I think it lower because being just a good 1 minute. So yabona naila ngicela senzani siya ku 1 minute nakhona futhi siyenzani. Obviously, you can use daily time frame and then take trades based on that for higher confluence, yabona. And then look for market. Let's say maybe if you daily time frame bias yakho ET, it's a bullish day, then you can look for only those two candles that body close above those are two candle closes for a bullish bias. I wanted to have more confirmation, but Nakona for the 1 minute, for a 15 minute, you can use it as sort of your high time frame. But yeah, I think I would recommend ukuthi ubuke nokuthi i-price action nama-trace lawa athathayo are in line with daily bias, even if it's just for a short term. Yabona. So that's also a note lengiyenza to myself right now on this video journal. So as you can see, mesifika la nayo range yethu la, so siyenzani siya-adjusta nayo la, siyibeka la, and then ini first tap, second tap, um third tap, just out la. Not like you can use this as the third tap, but as you can see there, okay, third tap, fourth tap into the range, naila, hang it, and then fifth tap, it just went high. But as you can see, ayenzang ayiswipanga i-liquidity. Mhlampe maybe meyivula i-market, mhlampe i-price isazobuyela la phansi, yabona. So in that case, we keep this range, and then obviously sibuka namanye ama-range, yabona, and then we expect ukuthi if akuna confirmation, we expect ukuthi price izozala eventually, izosweepa le, and then izoya phezulu, which is into engicabanga ukuthi eventually price action izoza la, izosweepa, then izoya phezulu, and izonikeza a much higher risk to reward. As you can see, price ukuthi iyenzani la. So yeah, so ngiyabonga guys, that was the back testing Saturday.